In this video, we are going to solve an equation with constants on both sides. Now, our strategy here is we kind of want one side of our equation to be the variable side and the other side to be the constant side. And then we can use some of our subtraction and addition properties of equality to get all of those variables together and constants together. Our equation will be in this form ax plus b. We may need to divide off any coefficient that is on our x. Let me show you some examples. Our first example here says to solve 2x plus 8 equals negative 12. So again, we kind of want to have a variable side and a constant side. So we need to get rid of that 8. So let's take and think about, we're adding 8. What's going to counteract that or cancel that is to subtract 8. So I've decided I'm going to subtract 8 from both sides, and then I get 2x minus 20. So this is the form we're talking about right here. Now, if there's any coefficient attached to our x, we need to divide that off, unless it is something where maybe we're dividing by x, we'll have to multiply that. But in this case, we need to divide both sides by 2 in order for us to effectively solve it for x, and we get that x is equal to negative 10. Now, what's really great about an equation is that it's pretty easy to check your work. If we substitute that value where our variable is sitting into our equation, we better get an answer of negative 12. So 2 times negative 10 is negative 20. Negative 20 plus 8 is indeed negative 12. It checks out perfectly. So checking your work isn't hard. You could even do that in your head. 2 times negative 10 is negative 20 plus 8 is indeed negative 12. Let's do another one. So we've got this equation. We need to get a variable side and a constant side. Let's go ahead and take this negative 5 and counteract that by adding 5 to both sides. We get that 8y is equal to 24. We have to divide both sides by 8. We get an answer of 3. Now let's check our work real quickly. If we substitute our 3 where our original variable was sitting, we better get an answer of 19. Well, 8 times 3 is 24. If we take away 5, indeed, we do get 19. So that's a little bit about how we solve an equation with constants on both sides. Thank you so much for watching. You have a wonderful day.